This is the Dji Ronin 4D Flex, which separates the camera sensor and the gimbal away from the main body of the Ronin 4D, making it a much smaller and lightweight setup to use with one hand, or two hands, on a tripod, or on a slider, or as a jib, on the ground, in a car, on a car, wireless, or completely hands-free. In the box, you get the flex attachment itself and a roll axis lock, which allows you to mount much bigger lenses on it to a rod or tripod setup. All you have to do is disconnect the gimbal setup from the main body and attach it to the flex. On the other end of the cable, there's a connector that attaches where the gimbal used to be and the monitor cable. From this point, you can set it up however you plan on using it. You can connect the grips to the side of the flex just like you can on the main body. And there's a spot to plug in the monitor that comes on the Ronin 4D. Just relocate the monitor's mount from the side to the bottom and it fits into the cold shoe mount on the back of the flex. The bottom has a 1/4, 20, and 3/8 inch mounting holes, so you can attach the flex to any plates or anything that will screw into the bottom of it, like this gimbal tripod that screws right into the bottom of it just like it does on a normal gimbal. The biggest question at this point is probably, what do I do with the main body? Because you still have all the camera controls outside of the body, there are options to place the body in a backpack or on a vest. That takes more than half the weight of the camera out of your hands. The Sony Venice is a cinema camera that costs over $50,000, and it has the Rialto system that allows you to basically do the same thing but without the gimbal. They even used it for some cockpit shots in the movie Top Gun because of the reduced size, but just for the Rialto attachment for the Sony Venice cost over $19,000. So that puts in perspective how much functionality and value DJI has given us with this. So because the Flex opens up so many possibilities to use the Ronin 4D, there's no way I can cover them all in this one video. So if you have any questions or comments about this attachment, just leave them down in the description box below. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.